So luxury starts with function, not price. I'm Taya, professional organizer and owner of Just Organized by Taya Home Organization. I bougie on the budget series. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take one of these Dollar Tree mirrors and a riser. And there you go. There's your countertop riser, okay? This is going to organize your bathroom countertop. And this looks absolutely chic, okay? Now, do you need a little something for your makeup brushes? This is a vase the Dollar Tree has. Absolutely perfect to hold your makeup brushes, okay? Now, we need storage, right? We need a place for our little toiletries, our little daily things, all right? So I love using the Dollar Tree rocks glasses. The whole thing's like Q-tips, little cotton pads, maybe some of your most used daily products. Dollar Tree has some bathroom organizers, and those work perfect, and they fit right on these. Really cute, squared jars as well. And I always recommend, whenever you can, do a group of 3. It looks really good. It makes sense to our eye. Just keep your little daily use item. Contain whenever you can, because it just saves you time, okay? So here are some of these super cute, more little Dollar Tree jars, glass jars. You can see exactly what you have. This works as, like I said, both decor and easy reach to the daily use items that you want to use. And then just putting in this tray just makes it easy because you can pull this around with ease, right? That's how you make a system that works. You gotta think about all aspects of it, all right? All right, so one of my favorite hacks, Dollar Tree has the little flower vase, the little vase things, right? Use those as organizers, okay? You can see I got my nail polishes, I got some jewelry, and I got some more products. This is fully stackable, and it just makes life easy. Again, remember, organization is about creating systems that make your life easier, right? When you create a system, it works for you instead of the other way around. And that's what we always want to do, just because it makes life easy. So front bins, these are just lovely to easily contain. You know, this can even hang on the wall. You keep your little jewelry, really anything you need on the countertop, okay? Little organizers, this is for like paper or mail. This is absolutely wonderful to organize your makeup palettes, okay? You can display exactly what you have in the comments, right? It lets me know what to make next. And it lets me know that I'm making content that's actually helping you guys. So love you so much. Take care. Bye.